Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Grand Caravan. The exterior color is blue, and under the hood we have a 3.6 liter PENSTAR VVT V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have headlamps and fog lamps, and over at the side we have 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. This Grand Caravan also comes with remote keyless entry with anti-theft engine immobilizer. As we move into the cabin, you will see our black cloth seating. Over at the steering column, we have our headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the right, and to the left, we have our hands-free options. As we look ahead, you will see we have many options available, such as AM/FM radio, a CD player, and auxiliary. Just below, we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Looking in the back seat, you can see that we have a ton of legroom and headspace, also with that second row. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Grand Caravan, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.